Namaste students, welcome again in the RS Group of School YouTube channel. Today we will start our part number 4. In this video we will study the preparation method of haloalkanes. Let's start from haloalkanes. तो हम स्टार्ट कहाँ से करेंगे चैप्टर को? haloalkanes के, और haloalkanes में हम इसका nomenclature रीड किया. Then we will start preparation method of haloalkanes. Now starting from first method, that is haloalkanes are prepared from alkanes. Haloalkanes are prepared from alkanes. But the reactivity order of the alkanes, which type of alkanes are highly react with the halogens and which are slightly low react with the halogens. This is the reactivity order. 3-degree alkanes are highly react with the halogens and gives haloalkanes. 2-degree are slightly less than 3-degree alkanes, and 1-degree alkanes are slightly also less product gives when react with halogens. And the reactivity order of halogens are also given here. Fluorine is highly reactive, but we cannot use this to make haloalkane compounds because due to high reactive nature their product is not stable. It is unstable product. So chlorination. Next one is chlorination. Chlorination is fast than bromination. Bromination is a slow process, but iodination does not take place in the haloalkane production or in the formation of haloalkanes. So you can mark my point. These two reactivity of alkanes and reactivity order of halogens are noted down in your copy. Now starting from the first method, that is halogenation of the alkane compounds. Students, direct halogenation of any compounds, any monohalogen compounds does not occur because not only one monohalogen compounds, that means one compound is formed, there are polyhalogen derivatives are formed in the halogenation reaction. Polyhalogen compounds are formed. So not form pure monohalogen derivative by this reaction. You can see on the board CH4 form methyl chloride, but also it can form dichloromethane. Then again halogenation, then it will give trichloromethane. On further halogenation, it will give tetrahalogenation. So we can say that no pure monohalogen derivative are formed by this reaction. The reaction when on the halogenation of chlorine on an alkane, that is methane, you get chloromethane, and further halogenation you get dichloromethane. On further halogenation you get trichloromethane, and so on. At last you get tetrachloromethane. This is the first method to form haloalkanes from alkane. Now move to our next method, that is from silver salt of fatty acid. Students, from silver salt of fatty acid. That means the fatty acid are having silver salt. The fatty acid having silver salt. You can see in the example Ag. RCOAg is the silver salt of fatty acids. It is a name reaction. It is commonly called as Hunsdicker reaction. यह एक नेम रिएक्शन है जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं? हुंस-डिकर रिएक्शन कहते हैं. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शन फॉर द एग्जाम. इन दिस रिएक्शन द सिल्वर सॉल्ट ऑफ फैटी एसिड ऑन रिएक्ट विद हैलोजन. ये हैलोजन रिएक्ट करेगा सिल्वर फैटी एसिड के साथ. देन वन कार्बन एटम लेस प्रोडक्ट इज फॉर्म. स्टूडेंट्स, mark my point again. On halogenation of any halogen on the silver salt of fatty acids, you get a product that will be haloalkane having one carbon atom less than the carboxylic acid. Here you get two carbon. R is an alkyl group. Alkyl group, that means it will contain CH3, C2H5, etc. You get two carbon if you put CH3 instead of R. But you see here in the product you having only one carbon atom product. यहाँ हमें सिर्फ एक कार्बन एटम प्रोडक्ट मिलता है, तो ये पॉइंट नोट कीजिए, द प्रोडक्ट इज 1 कार्बन एटम लेस देन द कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. So I am again repeat this reaction. The silver salt of fatty acid react with bromine. In this reaction हम sticker use bromine halogen atom. Silver salt of fatty acid react with bromine in the presence of carbon tetrachloride solvent, and on reflux it you will get RBr. RBr means haloalkane. What is the name of this RBr? It is alkyl bromide. The common name of this product is alkyl bromide with the evolution of carbon dioxide and side product AgBr silver bromide. Students, these are the two methods to prepare the haloalkanes. The other methods we are discussed in the next video. So you read and learn these two methods. These are the very important methods for the formation of haloalkanes. Thank you, students.